There's 2 over there now.
This is the field that we were playing at.
Why, you got him? Get him, dude. Take him out, bro.
Hey, fool, just light him up. I'm gonna get this shit on camera, fool. Oh, fuck, there's like 2 of them out there. They swear. Yeah, they can't fucking see me. This is a pretty fun place to play at. Empty them up, bro. There's about 30 in each. I got a high cap here somewhere, too.
Oh, yeah?
It's not my gun, hold up. Yeah, my homie's gonna kick my ass. I'm helping the enemy. Yeah, wait. This should probably be easier. Just want this game to end so I can play next game.
We'll see that high cap.
There you go.